Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is a Ikot-Ekpene road in the state capital of Akwa Ibom state. Akwa Ibom state is the cleanest state in Nigeria, and it has been winning this year to year, back to back. Of course, as you can see in this video, you can see how clean Uyo is. You wouldn't see the roads being littered with pure water sachets or sand covering the road, making the road to look unkept. No, rather you even see how they really planned this state capital. You can see the well-trimmed green grasses that they planted. It's just like what we see in Abuja. You can see the trees that they use in the decoration of the road. And the road network here is something else. They have good roads everywhere. Another thing I noticed is that they have a lot of flyovers. I don't know, maybe because we don't really have flyovers in my own state. We just have one flyover in my own state, and we hope that more flyovers will spring up as time goes on. So you can see even say signpost, they call it, where it is written. You see Akwa Ibom Plaza ahead of you, and other places they give you directions. Now that signpost just looks like the signpost you see in Europe and America. Anybody that has traveled to these places will agree with me. That's just the way they just packaged this state capital. And you can see the walkway, the pedestrian walkway, very clean, very okay. You walk comfortably on it, not unlike some places where the pedestrian walkway, you see people selling markets there. In the Madabosacha here, it's not supposed to be like that. This place is very, very planned, and the people here are also disciplined, because the state being clean also has, the people contribute a whole lot to also make it clean. So I'm driving on top of the flyover, and I turned my camera the other side to show you the buildings over there. I'm going to be going down straight, and I'm going to get to the University of Uyo Roundabout, Uni Uyo Roundabout. So watch this video down to the end so you can see how beautiful, how clean, how nice Uyo is. Uyo, the serenity, the calmness of this state capital, is one of the things that draws much people to come and live here. It's one of the most peaceful states, with good security, good roads. If you own a car here, I don't think you're gonna be going to the mechanic quite often. I know I say it's one of the cleanest states. No mind me, call this more dirty with there, no use and judge. But it's the cleanest state in Nigeria. You understand? Of course, you looking around, seeing how it is, you would know. When you visit on your own, you also confirm what I'm telling you. When you check online, the cleanest state in Nigeria, you're going to see Akwa Ibom there. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. So tell me guys in the comment section, Uyo and Calabar, which do you think is more advanced in terms of development? Which one is more beautiful, Uyo and Calabar? Tell me in the comment section. I'll be going to Calabar very soon. I'm going to make videos from there, which I'm going to be dropping here on my channel. But if you have been to these two state capitals, let me know in the comment section which you think is more beautiful.